Good morning everyone. I hope you are all well. So today we are going to start with our new chapter just because yesterday we had completed with our chapter. So today we are going to start with the new topic. So first of all tell me why I had taken this bird's picture. Why I had taken the picture of the bird? Just because we are going to start with the chapter related to the bird. Okay, that's why I have taken the picture of a bird. So we are going to start with the chapter's name, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. This is a poem that is written by Maya Angelou. Maya Angelou had written this poem, so I would like to share some information about Maya. So she was the lady that belongs to America, USA. She was a poet and the writer. She was born on 4th of April 1928. Okay, so I just want to tell you that she belongs to a Red American Society. Means to say, why I am saying that Red American? Just because when Maya was there now, so that time in America two kind of societies were there. Means to say discrimination was there between the white people and the black one. So Maya belongs to a Red American Society or a black people society. That's why she was also the sufferer of, means to say she was suffering from such kind of discrimination. Means to say they were not allowed to go anywhere, they were not allowed to go in the buses, and they cannot use the restaurants even. Okay? So public places they cannot use. That's why she was very sad. So she had explained her sadness through this poem. Okay, so in this chapter two kind of birds they have shown and she had described. One is a caged bird and another one is the free bird. So caged birds were, so the Red Americans were represented by the caged bird and the white Americans were represented by the free bird. Clear? So we are going to start the explanation. So we are going to start with the first stanza. A free bird leaves on the back of the wind. So in first stanza the poet is talking about the free bird, that a free bird leaves mean jump from surface. Leaves means he can move, the free bird can move anywhere on the back of the wind, means through the wind. He can go through the wind anywhere, he can fly over here and there. It floats downstream, means to say it can fly in the direction of the wind. Same direction downstream hota hai, same direction. Till the current ends, where the wind is calm, he can go over there. His dips his wing in the orange sun rays. He can also go through the sunlight, okay, and dares to claim the sky. And he can say that he is the owner of the whole universe. He can go anywhere in the sky, so that's why he said himself as the owner of the universe. So in the second paragraph we will see, but a bird that stalks down in a narrow cage, but the bird that stalks bache in an angry mood, walking in an angry mood. Just because the bird in the second paragraph the author is talking about the which bird? Caged bird. So she said that a bird that stalks, means to say the bird was in an angry mood down his narrow cage. He was walking in an angry mode through his narrow cage only. Kyunki in the first paragraph we had seen that he can go through anywhere and he can claim the sky and all. But a caged bird was going through only his narrow cage. He can seldom see through his bars. He can rarely, seldom means rarely, see through his bars of rage. Even then he was not able to see his poles of the rage, poles of the cage. Okay, so that's why he was in a bad mood. He was in an angry mood. He was angry just because his wings are clipped. उसके जो wings थे, they were clipped, means to say he was not able to go anywhere. He was not able to fly. That's why. And his feet are tired. उसके feet जो थे वो बंधे हुए थे. It were tired. And so he opens his throat to sing. So he cannot go anywhere. So he was no other choice so that's why he opens his throat to sing. So he was the only source of entertainment. So he started singing. ठीक है. So in a third paragraph we will see again it is related to the caged bird. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill. So the caged bird, again poet is talking about the caged bird. Caged bird sings with a fearful trill. बच्चे fearful होता है afraid, trill होता है vibrating sound, means to say afraid में जब हम कुछ बोलते हैं तो vibrations ही आती हैं, not clear sound है ना. So the caged bird sings with the fearful, afraid, and trill means vibrating of things unknown. Why was he fearful? Just because the things that he had never ever seen were unknown to him. ना तो उसने कभी फ्रीडम देखा, ना ही उसने कभी क्या, ना माउंटेन, रिवर्स. सो ही वॉज सिंगिंग द सॉन्ग इन अ fearful manner just because he had not seen any unknown things. That's why he was fearful, but longed for still. But even then, longed होता है बच्चे strong desire for still. His tune is heard. For still means, what is the meaning of still? Still means even then. ठीक है. Even then he had a strong desire for the freedom, and his tune is heard just because he was singing, and his song's tune is heard on the distant hill. Even then the distant hill was there, means to say distant hill means to say that is having the great distance from him. Even then his tune is heard over there. For the caged bird sings for freedom. For all the he was singing for all the caged birds. This is the song for freedom for everyone. ठीक है. In the next fifth paragraph, fourth stanza, we will see the free bird thinks of another breeze. But in the fourth paragraph, poet had described about the free bird. So free bird was still thinking about the breeze, another breeze. He was thinking that ki another breeze will come and he will go in that direction. He will fly in the direction of the wind. And the trade winds soft through the sighing trees. And trade winds बच्चे वैसे होता है जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट विंड्स होती हैं, बट इसमें क्या है, सॉफ्ट विंड्स दैट इज ब्लोइंग ऑन सॉफ्ट थ्रू द साइन ट्रीज. जस्ट बिकॉज साइन ट्रीज होता है बच्चे कि साउंड्स आती है ना समटाइम्स क्योंकि वो जो ट्रीज होते हैं दैट आर ऑल्सो बाउंड, दे कैन नॉट गो एनी वेयर. दैट्स वाई when the trade winds come, the sound was also heard over there of the trees. The fat worms waiting on the dawn bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. So and the free bird जो है वो क्या कर रहा है, he was waiting for the fat worms. Fat worms means a healthy food. He was waiting for the healthy food just because he was waiting for the dawn. Dawn means early morning कि he will the fat worms or a healthy food is waiting for him, and he names his sky his own, and he can claim that is the whole sky is his own. Clear? Just because बच्चे कि fat worms waiting on the dawn means just because कि he can go anywhere and he can take his food from anywhere, है ना. So insects को खा सकता है and all. That's why he said that कि he was waiting for the fat worms in a bright lawn, कि lawn में grassy land में वो उन जो हैं वेट कर रहे होंगे उनके fat worms. ठीक है. But a caged bird stands on the grave of dreams. But the caged bird, in the 5th paragraph, the poet had explained about the caged bird. Caged bird stand on the grave of dreams. Why it is he has called it a grave of dreams? Just because grave क्या होता है? चिता होती है, वहाँ पे dead body रखी जाती है जहाँ पे, है ना. But the caged bird, he was thinking that, the poet was thinking कि the caged bird stands on the grave of dream just because he was not having freedom. He was having so many dreams, like he can go anywhere, he can enjoy the wind, he can enjoy the rain also, है ना. So but a cage stands on the grave of a dream just because he was not having any right to get the dreams. That's why he called it a grave of dreams. His shadow shouts on a nightmare scream. इवन देन उसकी शेडो भी थी, वो शाउट करने लग पड़ती थी when he had seen, whenever he see the any nightmare. Nightmare means the bad dream, है ना. इसकी शेडो भी शाउट करती थी. His wings are clipped. So as we had already done कि बर्ड के जो wings थे that were clipped means to say he cannot go anywhere, he was not able to fly just because he was in a cage. His feet are tired. उसके जो feet थे वो tired थे, bound थे. So he opens his throat. So he was not having anything. So he had opened his throat to sing the song. In the 6th stanza, the caged bird sings. This is a repetition of the 3rd stanza. The caged bird sings with the fearful trill. The caged bird sings with the fearful means afraid vibration of things unknown. Why was he afraid? Just because he had not seen any new area. So that's why he was afraid but longed for still. But he was having a strong desire even then, and his tune is heard on a distant hill, and his song's tune is heard on a distant land. For a caged bird sings of freedom, just because the caged bird is singing for all the birds that need freedom, that want freedom, and he had sung the song of freedom. Okay, anything else? If you will have any doubt, you can ask, and I will take the Zoom class and you can clarify your doubts. If you will have any doubt, you can clear. Okay, thank you so much.